Hi, it's Kid Alice with another video segment from the Leadership Journey. Today I'd like to introduce Bob Pizzo. He's going to talk about IPO, specifically its application to helping us prevent problems. Bob, take it away.
Hello. For those of you that don't know me, I am Bob Pizzo, Inside Sales Manager for the Northeast region. I'm here to talk to you about IPO and how it isn't always our IPO that needs to be considered. We're always working to approve our IPO, but we also need to consider the customer IPO because their processes and output are our input. We have a top customer in the Northeast whose outputs are not always correct due to input and process issues on their side. This issue causes process and output issues on our side. They can range from delivery to incorrect product being ordered to billing issues. Now, we can't call them up and say, hey, your processes are causing issues on our side and you need to fix them, but we can steer them in the direction we need them to go by pointing out inefficiencies we are seeing on our side and leading to some on their side as well. This customer sends in model numbers they want to order that are tied to the internal part number and their vendor documentation requirements. The issue is we're experiencing with the model number they want and the documentation required is that they don't match. We send them the information they need to decide if they want to change the model number or waive the documentation requirement. They always, and I say always, change the documentation requirement to match the model number that they initially supplied, but they never update their system for their part number to remove those documentation requirements that cause the inconsistency to start with. This leads to future requests for the same internal part number with the same documentation inconsistencies. We have been working with the customer to update their processes and correct the inconsistencies in their output by removing them from their internal part number requirements when we identify them. This collaboration between E&H and their engineering team on the IPO discrepancies saves time for both sides, increases efficiency, and eliminates potential errors. So in closing, when you're reviewing the IPO of a process, remember, your input is someone else's process and output, and it may be the customer's. Thanks. Take care.